Right, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the strategies that is available with your subscription with SmartCharts. Okay, so once you log into your dashboard, you will come up with this screen. Now, what we're going to be doing is going to the charts. And if you like the way this chart looks, make sure you keep an eye out for one of my previous videos of how you can customize your charts. Now, what we're going to do though is we're going to come over to this arrow that says here, no strategy. Click on it and all of the strategies will appear. So if you want a clear chart, if you want a chart that doesn't have any of these AI extra help for your charts, then you find your pair on this long list here. It goes all the way from stock commodities through to S&P 500, so indices and gold, and also your Forex pair. So if you want GJ with nothing on it, you simply click that. This is obviously the indicator I put on, so just ignore that. But let's go on to the different strategies. Now you've got Pip Runner. You've got 180 phase changer, T-Wave, which is the most popular one on SmartCharts. Now, if I were to click on GJ again for you, just to show, you can see that this is how it's at. Now, stay tuned because there will be more videos breaking down these strategies, exactly how for you to read them and how for you to use these strategies, which can also be found in the Education Learn section as well. Now, if we were to go back on to explain them further for you and work our way through, we've got our volatility reversal, volley bounce, interbank radar, breakfast breakout, which there is a learn section as well specifically for this strategy as well. Now there's shapeshifter, twin flip, 4-wave, 20 bounce, advanced snapback, MA crossover, power pivot, unlimited snapback, Pip Runner version 1, money market breakout, trend tracker, volatility reversal, interbank radar, market flow, precision power play and power trade, and finally Pip River. Now, as you can see, unbelievable amount. Me personally, I like to use T-Wave, so I'll save that. All you have to do is press that heart and it saves it for you. And also I like breakfast breakout as well. Now, once you've done your strategies, so once you've hearted your strategies, if you then go back to the beginning, your main ones will be there for you. So for example, breakout, we can see with the US 31 here, you can see that we are literally just waiting for this line to break out and then you'll go to the opposite line. Nice and simple, but there will be a learn section for you to work out as well. But there you have it, guys. That is the full list of the indicators you will receive with your subscription with SmartCharts. Like I said, there was multiple different ones, and as the website says, over 20 different strategies for you to use and apply to your charts, with a learn section explaining each and every one. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.